Summer is quickly approaching in Vermont. The weather's getting warmer, the sunlight is staying out longer. It means I need to be thinking about what I want to be wearing this summer. I want to be comfortable, but I also want to feel a little elevated. I want to be thoughtful about what I want to wear this summer amidst the heat and humidity where I'm currently at in Vermont. Let's just think about ways we can do that and still feel comfortable and stylish and still feel like ourselves. Hello, I'm Coral. I'm currently in Vermont, and it is not quite summer yet, but it is early June. So you're starting to feel the heat. You're starting to feel what's to come. It doesn't get too awful hot here in Vermont, but you definitely need to dress differently than you dress in the winter months. An outfit like this actually is comfortable for me right now. Temperature is probably low 70s. It's a little overcast, which helps. Wearing pants like this and a t-shirt and some sneakers is pretty easy. Can I elevate this look? Absolutely. Should I? Sometimes, yeah. Why not? I can put a little extra effort in just to make myself feel better. Again, by not changing too much on my outfit. Take a look. Sneakers, REI pants, simple white t-shirt, hat. Perfect outfit, comfortable, can wear it working in the gardens, can wear it walking the dogs, but I can also do this. It's the same outfit, I've just added accessories. I've got my sunglasses, I've got some different hoop earrings on, I've got a statement necklace, and some leather sandals. But everything else is the same. But honestly, I feel different. I feel wearing this like I could go out to dinner, I could walk the streets in Burlington and feel like I dressed up a little bit, but still feel very casual, but elevated. Something I want to do this summer with my style is be more mindful of what I put on in order to make me feel like my best self. It's not hard. It just takes a little bit more effort on my part. What I want to do is go to some thrift stores or buy some things online that will fit these summer style trends that I'm making for myself. First and foremost, I want to be comfortable. I want to be wearing some natural fibers, linens, wools, silks. I'm looking for loose, flowy linen tops. I'm really hoping to find a nice flowy skirt, a long skirt, stripes. I love stripes in the summer, even if they're striped t-shirts or tank tops. Like that just really makes me feel good. And accessories. I have found that adding some sunglasses, some earrings, a simple just addition of a statement necklace or a different necklace than you wear for your day-to-day. It just makes you feel better, and isn't that all what we want to do? We just want to feel better, right? It could even be a hat. I could even wear this. I love this hat. I got this at REI. I love it. It makes me really happy. There's all different things you can do to make you feel good in your skin with the clothes that you wear. So I just encourage you to find those things. So accessories, hats, sunglasses, purses, tote bags, shoes. Accessories are those things that are timeless. We can use them over and over and over. We'll probably use them more than we use our clothes, right? It's true. So accessories, yes. What are your summer staples that you are hoping to wear this summer? I'm trying to stay away from fast fashion. I'm really trying to purchase only secondhand when I can. And I'm avoiding Amazon. I've been avoiding Amazon since January, and it has felt really good. I didn't think I would ever be able to do that because I had become a little obsessed with it. It was just too easy. But once you stop, you really can make it work. So anyway, poo-poo to Amazon. It's just not for me. It might be for you still. No judgment here. How can we dress with elegance and style in summer? However you want to. I'm going to be doing it with accessories, natural fibers, loose flowy things. I just feel like that keeps me cooler. I'm going to be avoiding polyester. Just not for me. I don't want to be sweaty in the summer. Yeah, just kind of doing whatever floats my boat. I think I need to be looking at more hats. Maybe I should start making hats, or making a hat. My friend Lyra makes hats. Possibilities are endless. Let me know what you want to be wearing this summer. What is your style going to be like? Don't limit yourself ever. Do what makes you feel good, wear what makes you feel good, and never stop evolving, because I'm not going to. Something extremely important is that you always feel good in your skin. That is so imperative in finding, what your style is for the season. And summer seasons typically are a little bit warmer than you're necessarily used to, and it kind of often encourages you to show more skin if you want to, or if you don't want to. And it's just about being free and expressing what you love and showing off what parts of you that you want to show off and flatter. Let your style be what you want it to be. Dress how you want to dress. That's what I'm going to do from now on. And I hope you can do that too. Until next time, you are beautiful. Never forget that. Never forget that.